Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Rednote and TikTok, two social media platforms that have captured the attentions of millions. Whether you're a content creator, a casual scroller, or someone looking to join a vibrant online community, this video can help you make an informed choice. We'll explore their features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and ultimately decide which platform is the better choice in 2025. First up, let's talk about Rednote. If you haven't heard about it yet, Rednote, also called Xiaohongshu or Little Red Book, is a lifestyle-focused social media platform. It was launched in 2013 and has grown massively with over 300 million users worldwide. While it's particularly popular in China, its global presence is increasing, especially in the US. It's being positioned as a mix of Instagram, Pinterest, and an e-commerce platform rolled into one. What makes Rednote unique is its focus on authenticity and community-driven content. Users share experiences through photos, videos, and detailed reviews, making it a hub for fashion, tips, travel guides, beauty advice, and even recipes. Unlike many platforms that emphasize influencers, Rednote prioritizes content that resonates with niche communities. Let's look at the For You section, which I already am. You can access that on the top here. Rednote's algorithm curates content based on your interests, offering a highly personalized feed. It is perfect if you're into lifestyle niches like fitness, home decor, or beauty. Another thing I love is the in-app editing tools. You can create polished content using templates, filters, stickers, and fonts all built into the app. And Rednote takes things a step further with integrated shopping. You can see the shop icon below. You can discover products, read user reviews, and purchase them without leaving the platform. Now let's switch gears to TikTok. You probably don't need an introduction here. TikTok has taken the world by storm since its launch in 2016. With over 1 billion monthly active users, it's the go-to app for short-form video content. TikTok's algorithm is one of the most sophisticated out there, ensuring your feed is hyper-personalized and endlessly entertaining. Here's a look at TikTok's famous For You page, which I currently am on. It's fast-paced, engaging, and designed to keep you scrolling. Unlike Rednote, TikTok is all about short videos, whether it's viral challenges, comedic skits, or bit-sized educational content. The platform provides an incredible array of tools for creators, including a huge library of sounds, filters, and effects. What makes TikTok special is its ability to create viral moments. One video can reach millions overnight. Now let us talk about the main features. We'll put the two platforms side by side and let's see how they stack up. Content focus. On Rednote, it is photos, videos, and detailed reviews. On TikTok, it is short-form videos. The algorithm. On Rednote, it is interest-based recommendations, and on TikTok, it is behavior-driven under the For You feed. Creation tools. On Rednote, it is advanced templates, filters, and e-commerce integrations. On TikTok, it is the extensive library of sounds, effects, and AR filters. The community. On Rednote, it is the niche lifestyle enthusiast. And on TikTok, it is a broad global user base with diverse content. How about shopping integrations? On Rednote, there is an integrated, seamless shopping experience. But on TikTok, it is limited to sponsored content or linked shopping pages. Now let us talk about the pricing. When it comes to pricing, both apps are free to download and use. Isn't that amazing? However, they each have their own ways of monetizing. TikTok offers in-app purchases for virtual coins, which users can spend on gifts for creators during live streams. On the other hand, Rednote integrates e-commerce features where you can shop for products directly from the app, which can lead to spending if you're drawn to lifestyle content. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? First, we break down the pros of using Rednote. It offers a wide variety of content types beyond short videos. It has a highly personalized feed for niche interests. The integrated shopping makes it great for product discovery. What are the cons of using Rednote? Language barriers, as much of the content is in Mandarin. You would see that when you toggle to the shop, and some of the contents on the homepage too have language issues. Privacy concerns due to its Chinese ownership. How about TikTok? What are the pros and cons? First, the pros. Excellent algorithm that keeps you hooked. Massive global reach for creators and brands. And they offer quick and easy content creation. How about the cons? Ongoing debates about privacy and potential regional bans. Content is often less in-depth compared to the ones on Rednote. Having gone through both platforms, what is the final verdict? While both platforms cater to different audiences, Rednote shines as a lifestyle haven with authentic user-driven content and integrated shopping. It is perfect for anyone looking to explore hobbies, discover products, or engage with a niche community. On the other hand, TikTok dominates when it comes to quick entertainment and viral potential. It is the ultimate choice for creators who want to reach a broad audience fast. Well, ultimately, the best platform depends on what you're looking for, whether it's a curated lifestyle experience or a high-energy video feed. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Instagram, YouTube, and Lemon8. And that's it for today's comparison of Rednote and TikTok. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.